So you're thinking about moving to Olympia, Washington? Well, I got a property I want to show you right now. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, about 1,300 square feet of living area. It's built in 1970. It has no HOA, and it has a nice spacious backyard. My name is JP Abarra. I'm a local realtor here. So if you think about moving into the neighborhood around Olympia or Joint Base Lewis McChord, you can contact me. My contact information in the description below. And this is my first YouTube video of a home that I'm showing right now. Come on, let's check it out. Yeah, so this home, it's built in 1970. You got a 1-car garage here, right? You got the nice white painted balustrade here. But here is, as you enter into the home, you got a nice big living area here. You see these floors has been updated. Nice hardwood floors here. There's a wood burning stove here. Split AC unit. Now the dining area plus kitchen. These cabinets here, upgraded cabinets. Right. You got your standard stainless steel appliances. You got the laundry room here, and you have the 1-car garage here. Okay. Now there's a hallway leading into the rooms. There's a main bathroom here, right? Here's bedroom number 2. It's nice spacious bedrooms, right? Bedroom number 3. This was used as an office here, right? And you have access to the backyard from this bedroom. And the main primary bedroom. There's a closet space with a bathroom here. Okay. Alright. So this home would be good for a small family, or if someone's a family that's looking to downsize into a 1-story Rambler. Perfect for family of small size. So here is the garden, backyard garden. Very spacious here. There. You got the back shed there. The back side there is the interstate, I-5 interstate. So there's a drop off there, so you don't have to worry about anyone building any buildings back there, because it's owned by the state there. Alright guys, so that was the tour. If you like this property, let me know. Or if you're interested in a similar property that's in the area, we can set up a private showing. So just give me a call. Alright, see you in the next video.